Okay, so we got this situation. If the directrix of the hyperbola centered at origin passing through the point this is this. So we got x equals to 4 root 3, sorry 4 root 5 by 5, correct? So we got our equation of directrix. So it is x equals to a by e, correct na? Means it is x, so we will have horizontal hyperbola. Look at this. So this is our horizontal hyperbola and we have to find out its eccentricity. Now you know that hyperbola look like whom? X square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Okay, so our hyperbola passes through the point this, x positive y negative, so somewhere here. So can I say that the point P is 4 comma minus of 2 root 3? Okay, and we have to find out its eccentricity. Okay, or we have to find out the relationship. Now look at this. So you know that your curve is passing through the point that, so it will satisfy this thing. So can I say that I'll substitute here this point. So we will have 16 by a square minus 12 by b square equals to 1. So we got our first relationship, correct? Now look at this. From here can I say that a will be equal to 4 by root 5 e. I'll square both side. So a square will be equal to 16 by 5 e square. So we got a in terms of e. Now I want b in terms of e. Okay. So look at this. Now we have satisfied the point. Now do you know the relationship between a, b and e? Okay, because we have used both the situations. We have used this situation where this point is satisfying that curve, and we have used this directrix as well, and still we are lagging. So we will take help of that relationship between a, b and e. You know that it is horizontal, so we will take help of horizontal ellipse. So it is a square. A is bigger, so a will stay inside, b square will stay outside. As it is hyperbola, so we have to replace b square with minus b square, correct? Now look at this. Can I write b square as a square e square minus 1? Now can I write b square as, I want b square in terms of e na, so I'll use that. So in place of a square, can I write 16 by 5 e square minus 1? Just tell me. So you got b square in terms of e square, you got a square in terms of e. So can I substitute here? So we will have look at this. So it is 16 by 16 e square 5, correct, minus 12 b square. B square is what? 16 e square minus 1 5 equals to 1, correct? So till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this thing on. Okay, now look at this. I will take LCM. So we will have 5 times e square minus 1, and we will have 4 as well because here 4 is there. So it will become 20 minus 15 equals to 4 times e square minus 1. Okay, so let's simplify little bit more. So 20 e square minus 20 minus 15 plus 4 e power 4 minus 4 e square. Now send everything on one side. So it is 4 e power 4, 20 e square that side, so minus 24 e square plus 35. Correct or wrong? So we got this relationship of eccentricity. Okay, so this is the thing which is required in this question. I hope you got the approach. Also, like you know that from main syllabus tangent and normal is removed, so there is higher chance that they will ask these kind of questions where they will use ABC concept. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.